Free data analytics course with certificate. Free Code Camp is a platform with completely free courses and guides. Moreover, you can obtain a completely free certificate upon completing the courses. There are no paid options. They rely solely on donations. Recently, I noticed that they have introduced a course called Data Analysis with Python. In the theoretical part of the course, they explain the entire data analysis process, how to use libraries such as Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Additionally, the course includes Jupyter Notebook and covers the basic of Python briefly. In the practical section, they provide 5 projects for independent work, along with all the necessary information and examples, analysis of demographic data, visualization of medical data, sea level forecasting, deviation calculator, and time series visualization. Upon completion, you can obtain the certificate for free. Another advantage is that in this course, Python is taught in the context of data analysis, and there is also a lot of practical experience that you can add to your portfolio. They also offer other certificate courses that can expand your knowledge. Algebra using Python provides a deeper understanding of mathematics and data science. Machine learning can be beneficial for a data analyst as machine learning knowledge is increasingly in demand in many companies. These courses are designed for beginners, but keep in mind that beginners may have different starting levels of knowledge. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.